As we've been talking a lot about the holidays, we also know how important relationships are, right? And I think there might be a little bit more focus of that this time of year. Well, sometimes there are medical issues that come in the way of that. And our next guest says, you know what? It's time to talk about it, and it's time to actually do something about it. Andrew is back from South Bay Medical Clinic. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. And yes, as the upcoming holidays are approaching, we'll probably be spending more time with our significant other. Now, if there are problems in the bedroom, we're talking about erectile dysfunction here, that can kind of put a damper on the holidays. South Bay Medical Clinic treats erectile dysfunction in a very different way, however. It's not a pill, it's acoustic wave therapy, and it's clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels. We know that erectile dysfunction is a blood flow problem, so we're treating the root cause of that issue. And here's the big takeaway: no pills, no injections, and my favorite part, none of the nasty side effects.
So it's kind of interesting because I feel like maybe the pill has just been the go-to for so long because it just seems like maybe the easier fix that you don't have to, have a whole lot of maintenance with. Tell me about this treatment, how this is really very, very quick in the big scheme of things.
Yeah, that's right. Men have taken the pill for 30 years. And if you think about it, that's a Band-Aid, best case scenario. For a lot of guys, it doesn't work. For almost all guys, it causes side effects, not to mention the lack of spontaneity. Now, our treatments use those gentle pressure waves delivered through the skin into the blood vessels. That causes them to agitate just enough that they regrow and clear out. The typical guy will do a few short 10-minute treatments over about 2 weeks. That is it. This is a long-lasting solution for erectile dysfunction. And when you look at a lifelong of taking the pill and probably taking more of the pill as time goes on, this is such a better alternative to get the spontaneity back in the bedroom, the natural function back in the bedroom, and not deal with any of those side effects anymore. As far as I know, this is the only thing that treats the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction.
You mentioned there was a lot of clinical studies as well. Who are you finding that is really benefiting from this? I mean, how can you find out if this might be something that works for you?
Well, you're right on the clinical studies. The science page at southbaymedicalclinic.com has over 40 clinical studies from places like Cambridge saying this is effective. Most men can benefit from this. We're going to have you screened by a medical provider, of course, but most men can benefit from this. And I should say, we've seen men in their 20s, we've seen men in their 90s, we've seen men with diabetes, prostate issues, high blood pressure, and everything between. The Cambridge study actually suggested that the health history didn't matter much, and men still experienced an increase in blood flow after going through our treatments.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and encourage people to call. Again, go ahead, make the move today. There's a special offer as well that you want to extend to people.
Yes, call us now if you're struggling with erectile dysfunction. We're going to give away so much for free. We'll do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound, no charge. We'll also throw in a little special gift that produces instant results in the bedroom. It's a $500 value. Call the number on your screen right now. We'll do it totally free.
All right, Andrew, thank you so much for your time this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you.